Cleaning this double oven from Zanussi is never a chore, thanks to the helpful enamel-coated interior. Make the most of added flexibility with the twin cavity design that offers twice the cooking capacity, so you can prepare and cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Therma-flow's intelligent fan placement allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without the risk of flavours transferring. It runs effectively at lower temperatures, delivering fantastic results with reduced energy consumption. Set and Go lets you pre-program the cooking time. Once the time has elapsed, the oven is automatically turned off. You can achieve amazing results without the need for constant monitoring. The generous 66-litre capacity makes this Zanussi double oven a perfect appliance for family homes.